is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Right now, I'm actually headed to Jake's buddy's track. It's actually right near Jake's house. You know, you've seen Jake. This is Jake. He's a crazy dude with a nice pit bike track, and he comes out to almost every time I go ride pit bikes. He's always there. And so he was like, yo, Miller, I've got a buddy with a grass track, and it's like a turn track with a few jumps, and it's supposedly really fast. And I was like, that sounds like something I like. If you guys remember way back when I was working with Braden, he had a track too, and it was a lot like a turn track with some berms, and it was really all out pinned unless you're barely jumping. And so that's what I'm used to, and so I'm hoping today that will be a fun time. And so I've got the pit bike already loaded up and everything like that. Jeep's still over there. I just washed the car, man. This thing is shiny. It looks really good. I need to really cut my grass, but that's okay. Look at that thing. This thing looks mint. And so we are gonna go head over to Jake's buddy's house now and rip this track. I gotta grab my helmet first. I'm gonna go see if I can find it. Here it is. Let's see here. Got the helmet, got the GoPro stuff, got my gloves in there, got the dongle. I think we're good to roll. I think I need to grab my sunglasses right there. Set this right there. Grab my sunglasses, and it's time to boogie. Jake said, yep, I see some vans. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that sounded good. Boys, the pit bike guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get the pit bike unloaded, and then we'll check out this track. I'll take the camera around, and let's see what we're getting into today. We got Jake. What up, dude? How's it going, man? How's it going? I'm ready to see this track, dude. Here we go. Here we go. Look at this freshly cut. Like, oh, we're gonna be ripping. Look at this freaking berm right here. Oh my god. Look at this place. This is kind of cool, bro. Nice little berm there. Oh, nice little jump. Okay. Oh my gosh, this place looks sick. It's all like cut out and everything. Dude, this place is kind of cool.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
You can go track wood loop.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
It'll come out right there.
And you hit the little roller. Oh, nice little. Okay. Little double section on that, I guess. Oh, don't hit the water right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, we're gonna be ripping out here. Oh, this is sick. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited for this. This is gonna be kind of a different little track. We haven't really come here much. It's my first time, but Jake said it's a fun track with a whole bunch of people, so I'll keep you guys tuned, and I'll pick you guys up on the GoPro. All right, so we made it this track. Jake, look. Look, I got a back brake. Yeah. Right, let's do it. All right, so Jake's gonna show me the track once again. He's gonna actually show me this woods course. Oh! Woohoo! This is so much fun. This is like a track you just freaking go balls to the wall at, man. This is so much fun. Oh god, I forgot we're taking a right. All right, so he said follow the cones. Like, bro, what you mean follow the cones? Oh god, coming in high there. What is this single track? What does he mean? Oh, that's it? That's pretty cool. We're leaning these bikes over today. Let's go, baby. I need to bring Braden here. He would enjoy this park. Oh man, I'm feeling like riding fast today. I think that'd be a good get schwasty on him. Oh, we got another course. Oh, okay. Oh, dang, okay, this is sick. Oh god, this is crazy, man. Hell, everybody else runs it. Oh, Jake laid it down. Oh no. You alright? Finally, the end is in sight. Oh, he's crazy. He just rode all the way around it. What a savage. Go, 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 go. Oh, you gotta like really watch out not to slide out though. Oh, that's so much fun. That's a fun track. Oh shit. It's getting wet right there. Jake, get out of here, bud. Ah! Oh, jeez. Oh no. He's going up top, he's going up top. I got time, I got time. No, he booted out of there. No, berm yet. Oh God. Oh, you freaking sailed through that. It's all so much fun. I'm glad I also fixed the pit bike. Like I got it tuned up and everything before we came out here to ride, because I'd feel bad if I was doing this or to a beat bike. What the heck, Jake? What is he doing? He scared the shit out of me. Oh God. He was hiding from me. What was he doing? Get out of the way! Come here, boy. Alright, now I'm gonna wait for him, because he's a little sucker. Come on, who's it gonna be? Is Jake coming with? Boogie now. Oh, here we go. Gotta fall into that rut. Let's go, baby. Oh my God. Let's go! We got tripped up. Jake, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. We're just laying laps down now, baby. Oh, this is the funnest. This is so much fun. Oh, we're coming in hot. Gotta get in the rut. Go, 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 go. Jake's still on me. This is so much fun. Bro, this is sick. Oh, that's a bunch of fun. Oh, there's a puppy dog. Am I a little better on a flat ground track? Dude, that's pretty fun, dude. Homeboy's got a Sur on right there. That thing looks sick. I hope he goes and ride it here in a little while. That'd be awesome. Really? Heck yeah. I appreciate that. That's sick. First time running a Sur on. Heck yeah. Instant power?
No, actually.
Oh, really?
You can roll it on.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Look at this thing. Is it on? Yeah. Oh, it's on. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this thing's weird. This is my first time ever riding like a Sur on or electric bike. Okay, so I gotta figure out which brake is brake. Okay, so this is rear brake on the left side here. Oh my God. Dude, there's so much power. Oh, I kind of want one of these, dude. Oh God, dude, it gets so loose. The tires are so small. Dude, this is cool, man. There's so much suspension on. Dude, it actually is pretty fun. There's no foot brake, and that's the only thing that's weird to me right now. But I'm sure you could get used to it. I want to feel it over some like bumps and stuff, because that'd be kind of cool to see how it handles. I mean, dude, these things would be so much fun, like urban off-roading, like taking them to downtown Charlotte and that kind of thing. Dude, it feels like a mountain bike. Oh my God, dude, that's so sick. Holy crap, dude. Oh, we're coming in hot for the corner. Dude, this thing is so cool. It's so quiet. Only hearing like the chain noise and like the battery, the motor noise. Dude, this thing is so rad. I kind of want one now. There's no engine brake either. Oh, this thing is freaking fast out of the corners, bro. Oh my God. Right out of the corners. Like, it is like you can get right back up to your full speed so freaking fast. I did not even think I was gonna be riding a Sur on today. Dude, this thing is so much fun. It jumps like a mountain bike. Dude, that's so much fun. Oh, I kind of want one now. Oh my God, dude, that's so fun. I don't even know what year this is. What year did they even come out with these? This would be fun for downtown Charlotte at like 2 a.m. Dude, this is so sick. Dude didn't even know who I am, and it's just like, let me ride this thing. Like, that is so cool. All right, this is my final lap on it. I'm starting to get mad arm pump. This thing's so different. Like, it's crazy. It's different in a wheelie. That's for sure. It's like electric power. He was telling me it wasn't like instant power. It's really not. Dude, it's so much fun to jump, because it's just, I wonder how durable to water it is. Oh, that is so much fun. Woohoo! Spun that thing out a little bit right there. I love it. Oh, I gotta get Chase out here and ride this thing. Chase would rip on this thing. So would Kyle. Kyle would honestly enjoy this a lot too. Oh my gosh. This thing's too cool. Oh my gosh, guys, that was so much fun. That Suron is something else. I might have to get one. That was so much fun. But let's go ride around. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the track. It's pretty basic and pretty easy, and it's like a freaking, you can just rail the crap out of the whole thing. He said he wants to slow it down just a bit, just to make it a little more technical, and I think a few tabletops would do just that. Let's go see if we can't find Jake ripping around, or Brittany, or Tom, or somebody. But that Suron is sick. All right, guys, got 10% left on this battery, and so we're gonna try to get one last clip of absolutely ripping and chipping and dipping, and yeah, see what we can come up with. Jake got some awesome pictures of me. Shout out to him, always coming clutch. Oh, I need to put my phone out of my pocket because it is gonna get lost. All right, bro, I'm gonna do my final lap. You ripping with me? Excuse me. Might have to ride the trials bike next time. Hop right into this. When the sun goes down, that's when you get your courage a little bit. Oh, heck yeah. That sounded sick. What's up, Brittany? Jake, get out of here, bud. No, get out of here, Jake. No. Oh, Jake's gonna get me. Jake's gonna get me out of the corner. Go, go. Get out of here, Jake. Woo. No, he beat me out of the corner, you little shit. He beat me. How did he get me out of the corner, dude? Come on, baby. Right on. Oh, where's my back brake? Oh, I locked it up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm slow. I'm getting better, but I'm not that good yet. Right now, I swear when the sun goes down, you get more courage, for sure, because you can't see everything that's happening, and you're just ripping. Get out of here, Jake. Get out of here! No. Oh, God. Let's go, baby. All right. Oh, my gosh. Let's go. Dude, we were going hard. That was awesome. Oh, that's so great. Such a fun track you're just pinned on all the time. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video right now. Me and Jake have been ripping. So has Brittany. Brittany's done really good. I mean, when I first met her, she barely knew how to ride, and now she's just absolutely ripping on her KLX. I mean, it's pretty awesome to see someone come so far, or know someone that's, you know, beginning stages of the dirt bike life. You know, that was me last year, you know. And so, and now we're out here ripping. She's gonna be better than me next year, guarantee it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. The GoPro battery's about to die and it's getting dark. Luckily, I have the light on. We can keep ripping. So I'm probably about to head out, go grab some supper, go to Walmart. Gotta go grocery shopping. How fun is that? That's not fun at all, actually, grocery shopping. But if you guys have enjoyed today's video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I'll see you guys next time.